painting press-ons at 12 o'clock in the morning. I usually avoid doing my nails too late because I make a lot of mistakes, but I was feeling really energetic. I'll point out all my mistakes when they happen though, because it's great to learn from them.
Now we're done and it's fading away. Next one gotta run if we really want it. A new high, same lie on a different day. But we really want it.
Nice.
First mistake. I have a glow-in-the-dark top coat that I wish I used instead of a matte top coat. I used matte because I was going to use gold powder, but ended up not using it anyways.
Need an obsession, but not a very long impression. One God to worship for a little bit, just a short trip on my way to relief. And like a moth to scream.
Second mistake. I put this gold gel on too thick at some parts and had to fix it off camera later. This is the main reason I don't do my nails too late anymore. Putting gel on too thick is dangerous, so please try and avoid doing so. Third mistake. I got some of this gel on the part of the nails without filter gel on it. It looks fine due to the design, but it really bugs me, so I wish I cleaned it up.
One eternity later.
Fourth and last mistake. I accidentally put too much filter gel on this charmer. I put my brushes away right before this, but tweezers work just as good.